Welcome back everyone. So after we completed setting up the working environment for Spark here in Google Colab, now we can type Spark code. So let's add another cell here, put the cursor here of the mouse and click on plus code to add another cell. So I will paste the code that I have here, and this code is already attached with this lesson. So let's have a look at this code. First, we are going here to create an RDD, and as you learn that RDD is the data packets here in R. So I'm creating a variable here in Python equal Spark. So because we already imported Spark, we can use it. If you didn't import it here in the previous step, you will get an error. So df equals spark context dot parallelize. So parallelize is the function is used in Spark to create a data frame. So between parentheses and brackets, these are the values that we are going to put in this data frame: 13, 31, 21, and the fourth value is these three letters. So we have three numbers and one string, comma. This is the first row of the data frame. The second row is these values, and the third row is these values. So this data frame contains three rows. Dot to df, and to df, this is to give a header to each column, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 values in each row. That means we have 4 columns. So we are going to call these 4 columns column 1, or call 1, call 2, call 3, and call 4. And after that, to show this data frame in Spark, we need to type df dot show and these parentheses. So show parentheses, this is a function in Spark to see our data frame. So we can run this code from here, and we can use Shift Enter, and Shift Enter will add automatically another cell for us. So I will use Shift Enter, and there we go. We have this data frame created, and df.show to show the data frame. This data frame is created in Spark. So this is a Spark data frame. And let's create another data frame here. I will call it employee equal Spark dot create data frame. So in this case, we are going to use this function to create a data frame. These are the rows in this data frame. So the first value is the employee ID, the second value is the employee's name, the third value is the employee's salary, and the last one is the department where that employee is working. And after that here, we created the headers for these columns. So let's scroll down, click in this cell and Shift Enter. And here we go. As you see, this code has been executed in less than a second. So let's have a look at this data frame. So we need to type employee, and as you see, you got this IntelliSense appears for you to help you find your code. So you see employee is the first one, click enter, dot, and you want to show, so click S, H, and again you see the function pop up for you. So select it and add the parentheses. Shift enter. And there we go. You see here this data frame. So as you see here, we created a Spark RDDs using these two functions or methods: create data frame and Spark context parallelize.